Good morning, everyone. Today we will be talking about adjectives. And the topic that we're supposed to learn today is we should be able to understand what are the rules using comparative and superlative adjectives, including grammar exercises. And as well as the purpose of this simple presentation is to develop grammar, reading, speaking, writing skills, and to enlarge students' vocabulary, cognitive and creative abilities. So, what is this comparative adjectives? We use comparative adjectives to compare to people, places, or things. Like we have here in the screen. This one is small, but the other one is smaller. There are several rules that we need to follow in comparing objects. Take for example, short adjectives just add er. Take, for example, old becomes older, young, younger. And vowel, consonant, you just add er, and the final consonant is doubled. Take, for example, big, it becomes bigger, and you need to double the last consonant. Hot, hotter. And short adjectives ended in y, just add IER. Take for example, easy, remove the y and then add IER. Heavy, just add, remove the y and then add IER. Long adjective, just add more plus the long adjective. Take for example, exciting, it becomes more exciting. Beautiful becomes more beautiful. And there are some irregular adjectives like good becomes better and bad becomes worse. We use than after the comparative form of the adjective. John is taller than Mary. Ferrari is more expensive than Fiat. Another example is old, I'm 70. Older, I'm 75. Or in a way that like this, young, younger. The woman is old, the man is older than the woman. The woman is old, but she is younger than the man. Another example, big, bigger. Small, smaller. The polar bear is big. The elephant is bigger than the polar bear. The bear is big, but it is smaller than the elephant. Another example for adjective that ends with y, yogurt is tasty, but ice cream is tastier than yogurt. We have here exercises. Complete the following sentences using the comparative form of adjective in the bracket. Tiny is tall than sky. So the base word is tall. So it becomes tiny is taller than sky. Sky is good at basketball than tiny. The base adjective word is good. It becomes sky is better than basketball than tiny. Exercise number 3. Tiny is fast than sky. Fast is the base adjective. It becomes tiny is faster than sky. Number 4. Sky is popular than tiny. The word or the adjective is popular. So it becomes sky is more popular than tiny. And for number 5, Sky's feet are big than Tiny's feet. The adjective is big, it becomes Sky's feet are bigger than Tiny's feet. How about the superlative adjectives? We use the superlative adjective to compare more than two people, places, or things. Take, for example, big, bigger. Since we're talking about comparison of more than two objects, the third one should be the biggest. So how do we follow the rule in superlative adjective? Short adjective, just add est. Take, for example, old, the oldest, young, the youngest. And then for the consonant, vowel consonants, just add est. The final consonant is doubled. Take, for example, big, it becomes the biggest. The final consonant is G, that's why you need to double it. It becomes the biggest. Another one is hot, the hottest. The final consonant is T, that's why it will be doubled and the spelling should be like this. Short adjective ended in Y, just remove the Y and then add IEST. Take, for example, easy, it becomes easiest. Heavy, it becomes heaviest. How about long adjective? Just add the most plus long adjective. Take, for example, exciting. The superlative will be the most exciting. Beautiful. The superlative will be the most beautiful. And then for irregular adjectives, good will become best. Bad is worst. We use the before the superlative form of the adjective. John is the tallest. A Ferrari is the most expensive car. Like what we have here in the screen, this one is old. The middle picture is the older, but the pyramid in Egypt is the oldest. Big Ben is old. The tower is older than the Big Ben. The pyramids are older than the tower. The pyramids are the oldest. So like we have here, complete the following sentences, use the superlative form of the adjectives in brackets. Al is short. It becomes Al is the shortest. Number 2, Ed is thin. The adjective is thin, it becomes Ed is the thinnest. We need to follow the rule in the consonant, vowel, consonant. That's why the consonant will be doubled and then add est. Number 3, All is wearing colorful clothes. Since it is a long adjective, we will be using All is wearing the most colorful clothes. Ed is tall. It becomes Ed is the tallest. Joe is smart, and it becomes Joe is smartest. And these are the rules that we need to follow in order for us to learn how to use comparative adjective and superlative adjectives. Thank you very much for watching.